Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful Tuesday. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do product reviews and makeup looks. So if you enjoy that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, as always, thank you for returning. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. But as you can see from the title, today we are going to be unboxing our March 2020 adult Dot Boxx. Yay! This is such a fun box to open, and yeah, it's just a fun box to open. I love this box so very much. And I love how they change their tape up every month, and it's always something quirky or funny or even motivational. It's amazing. This month it's a little funny and I love it. It says Alexa destash our stash. So they are destashing. That is their theme this month. And I can't wait. So thank you Dot Boxx for sending me this box to review. I do greatly appreciate it. Now the adult Dot Boxx is $38.99. They have a teen box as well for $34.99. And what I think is so amazing is this is actually a mother and daughter duo. So the mother curates the adult Dot Boxx and her teenage daughter curates the teen Dot Boxx. Brilliant. And I don't know how they come up with the most amazing themes and literally find everything that coordinates phenomenally, say that 3 times fast, together. And not only that, it is personalized. That's right, y'all. It is personalized. You fill out a really extensive survey letting them know what you like, what you don't like, your favorite color, you know, your favorite types of snacks, just, I mean, all kinds of stuff. And they curate the box around the theme and you. What? Yeah, it's that awesome. It is. So, this is also, if you are not aware, a period box, but also a lifestyle box. So it does include period essentials. You can opt out of the period essentials if you don't need them. However, it is also a really good idea to potentially get the period essentials. Go ahead and get them with the box because you could have guests that may need some. You know, you could have friends that need them, or you could send them to a women's shelter. So there's lots of possibilities of what you can do if you personally don't need the period supplies. So this is what we see when we open it this month. It is jam-packed. So we have our card here that says, "Hey beautiful." It's our annual spring destash. Oh, what's a destash? A destash is when we gather items that wouldn't fit, arrive late, or didn't match other goodies as planned in previous boxes, and we destash them from our packing space. It's kind of like a survey-based mystery box. Let's get started. Now, it says, what's in everyone's box? So it looks like there's 3 items that everyone got, and then it says, let's get personal. Your survey says, the rest of your box is in full destash mode. We wrapped each item all bright and festive to add to the mystery. Ooh. All right, and then it says April is our birthday month. Whoop, whoop. We're turning 3, baby. Yep, happy birthday, Dot Boxx. About said Docs Bot. Happy birthday, Dot Boxx. I cannot believe you're gonna be 3. Congratulations. Next month's box will include lots of celebratory inspired self-care goodies that'll make you sing. See you later, alligator. See, it's just, you can't help but smile when you open this box and you read the card. And I mean, we haven't even gotten to the goods yet, and I'm grinning from ear to ear. So let's get in here and see. Now I'm gonna try and find these 3 items first. And one of them, here is one, and it's a loofah. And it says charcoal infused loofah. Infused with charcoal to detoxify skin and unclog pores. I can't read today for some reason. Moisten and apply your included whipped or favorite soap or shower gel and gently massage away dead skin cells. And this feels, I mean, like a nice loofah, you guys. These charcoal infused bath poofs cleanse and gently exfoliate while drawing out impurities from your skin. Used daily, it will help prevent acne and fights odor. Apply your favorite soap or shower gel for a long-lasting lather and a healthy glow. So yay. All right, and then to go with it, everyone also got, and I found it pretty easily, yay. This is, what says, Morning Sunshine. A whipped soap. Awaken your senses with the sweet citrusy scent of freshly squeezed orange juice. Whipped soap is like cleansing your skin with fluffy marshmallow madness. So fun. I loved whipped soap. The citrusy scent of freshly squeezed orange juice and raw sugar cane. Has a safety seal. It's literally like the consistency of, oh, I got a little bit on my finger. Oh, okay. I mean, I know it's soap and you're supposed to wash it off, but it's soap. What's it gonna do? Y'all, oh my gosh. That smells like so good. That smells like a dreamsicle. I was trying to think of what it, oh, that is exactly what that smells like. They talked about marshmallow fluff as what the consistency is, but it smells like orange with marshmallow. Oh, that smells so good. I cannot wait to use this with my new loofah. Yay! All right, and then we all got, which appears to be on the bottom, so we'll get to it. But there is a insulated snack / lunch bag, so we will get to that. Otherwise, let's get to the other goodies. So what we have here, because I'm on my period cups and not in the mood. So that's cute. You smell like drama and a headache. Please get away from me. Take out the drama. This is for my husband. Not all the time, but most of the time, yeah. I love the color. Love the color of this one. Feeling kinda IDGAF-ish today. I don't give up issues. If I think it's funny, I can't even speak. I don't give up ish today. All day, every day. I love these. Yay. Oh, I'm excited. So I'm running ear to ear. Yay. All right, and then we've got Naturally Clean Eats Salted Dark Chocolate Brownie. What? It says with hidden spinach, no sugar added, plant-based, all real food, no flavors, no additives, nothing artificial. That is right up my alley. Salted dark chocolate brownie. Yes. Yum. Yay. Yum, yay. And then sprinkled on top are two of my favorite candies. Snickers and Twix. Yay. Stick them in this. Right in here in the cup. All right. And then, oh, wrapped up. It says, because you can never have enough cute car accessories. Right there. Oh, what are you? Oh, this is so cute. Be beautiful. And then the other one is a butterfly. And then, oh, we got a air freshener in pink grapefruit. Yeah, my car's got me decked out. Yay. All right. And Positive Mind, Body, Life postcards. Let's see. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. That's so true. Do what you have to do until you can do what you want to do. Never stop doing great because someone doesn't give you credit. I'm liking these. When you know exactly who you are, you'll put zero weight into anyone's opinion. Yes, ma'am. Read after me. I am unbelievably okay with not achieving every goal. I'm not okay with not trying. 100%. Give yourself some credit for the days you made it when you thought you couldn't. Don't be ashamed of who you are. That's your parents' job. They're great. All right. There's a wipe for that. Wipe for that. All right. Let's see what we're gonna be wiping. All right. So the first two I'm pulling out: Finger Brush Up Deep Cleaning Teeth Wipe Mint Flavor. Oh, these are great to throw in your purse and like when you're out to eat, you're done, you go freshen up your breath. Yeah. Oh wait, there's 4 of them. Just found 2 more. Ooh, okay. And then we've got, let's see, we've got 3 of these. It's a Lifestyle Good Wipes. Down there wipes. Shea Cocoa. It's a pH balanced, biodegradable, flushable wipe. So we have 3 down there, fresh wipes. And then we have a Gone & Co, if I'm saying that correctly, makeup remover and face cleansing towelettes. And then I am so excited. I love these. And I think these are great to put into your purse. I've had some before. Okay, now I can throw these in my purse and be on the go. We got 3 of these little Neutrogena individual wipes. Neutrogena makes amazing makeup wipes, so I am super pumped to see these in here. So there's a wipe for that. All right, and then because you like to play Where's Waldo with your phone charger. It's true. Here's a backup, or a backup to your backup. Oh, I'm ripping it open before I even show you. Right there. It's like Christmas. I'm like. All right. Lightning USB cable made for iPod, iPhone, and iPad. I love this because this is part of the survey. They ask you what kind of phone you have, because otherwise I would have been like, I'm glad I have an iPhone, but it's part of the survey. So yay, and it's pink. Yeah, so my husband will not steal this one. Alrighty. Oh, there's something else wrapped up. Since you enjoy practical home goods, we think you'll enjoy this cutie for your stovetop. The design is perfect for spring, yet fun enough to use until summer. The inspirational quote is valid all year round. See right there? Oh my gosh. You guys. Oh my gosh. It is a spoon rest and it says live happy. But this honestly would work perfect in my kitchen every day because my kitchen is red, but then I have this like sage green accent wall kind of over where my dining area is, where our table is. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, stop. You know this box is awesome when it is a period subscription lifestyle box. and you get a spoon rest. And it's from Natural Life, and their stuff is always so cute. Are you kidding me right now? What? Oh, this box is so amazing. Oh my gosh. Really? Really? Ooh, box is even better. We got some salted caramel cookies. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. Wow. Serving size is 9 cookies. Oh, man. Yeah. Now, these are going to that mom hiding spot. These are my cookies. Hands off. All right, and then, all right, so now we're down to the item, the last item that everyone would have received. And this is an insulated snack / lunch bag. For some of you, eating healthy comes naturally, but for the rest of us, the struggle is real. We got you started with a healthy snack, but of course we included simple ones as well. Your Naturally Clean Eats bar is known as the cleanest bar on the planet. It is 100% plant-based, prebiotic, and includes no sugar, gluten, additive flavors, or additives. That is amazing, and that is good to know. So here is our little bag. And this is a little pocket right here. And it says, torn between looking like a snack or eating one. Oh my goodness. All right. That is hilarious. So it opens to a really good size. And then, like I said, you've got the pocket. And if I didn't show you, which I don't think I did, it is insulated inside. How funny would it be if I packed my husband's lunch in this? And he's at work and he's like, torn between looking like a snack or eating one. He would eat one. That is so cute. And it feels really good. Like, it feels like it's really good quality. This is adorable. I love this so much. All right, you guys. Oh, thank you, Dot Boxx, for the laughs. I really needed it. All right, so that is everything in our box. We have our period essentials. Here is the last item. So you get, there's usually always these little raspberry teas, which are good. So good. Right here. And then there's some panty liners. Now, one other thing I really like about this, when you do get the period essentials, you can let them know the brand, the like absorbency level, the size, everything for pads and tampons. They even have organic pads and tampons. So you get to choose. They're not just randomly sending you pads or tampons. You get to select, that's part of your profile, what type of pads and tampons you want. So, and then you can choose to receive the extras like the tea, the panty liners, and my personal favorite, the like little heating, like one-time use heating pad. Oh my gosh, you guys, this thing is amazing. Amazing. So that was our Dot Boxx Destash box for March 2020. It felt like Christmas because, I mean, we were opening and opening and opening and opening and opening. It was like the never-ending box. And I love every single thing. So I will put a link down below for you guys if you would like to check out Dot Boxx. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know, do you get Dot Boxx? If you do, what did you get in a Destash? What were your personal items? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a fantastic Tuesday, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.